Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Now before us is this question is read that if 3 over 4 is subtracted from the reciprocal of the sum of a number and 4. Now the result is negative 2 over 3. Now find the number. Okay. Now take note that this fraction 3 over 4 is subtracted from the reciprocal. When we talk about reciprocal, it means that 1 over x. Now this is the reciprocal of x. Okay, now but in this case now we're told that the reciprocal of the sum of a number, and let that number just be x, okay, and 4. So let us say the sum of a number and 4 is what? X plus 4. Okay, so this is the sum of a number and a 4. Alright, now but the reciprocal now will now be 1 over, okay. Now this is now subtracted from, so which means 1 all over x plus 4 minus 3 all over 4. Now the answer is what? Negative 2 all over what? 3. So this is the equation that represents this word problem. So we are told to find x. Okay, so at this point now, since this is a known fraction, let us add both sides. Let us add 3 over 4 to both sides, and this is because here we are having minus sign. So here you have 1 all over x plus 4 minus 3 all over 4 plus 3 all over 4, then equals minus 2 all over 3 plus 3 all over 4. So they were left with what? Minus 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4 give us 0. So we're left with what? 1 all over x plus what? 4, then equals, now at this point now here we have 3 and here we have 4. Now to make our work more easier, let us multiply this fraction here by 4, so the numerator and the denominator by 4, and this fraction here, the numerator and the denominator by 3, and this is to help us get the same denominator. So which means here we will multiply by 4, multiply by 4, and here we multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. So at the end of the day we have negative 2 times 4 will give us 8, then all over 12, then plus 3 times 3 will give us what? 9 all over what? 12. Okay, now at this part of the equation, equation here, now negative, so since we have a common denominator, so which means we can sum up the numerator directly, and this is negative 8 plus 9, that will give us what? 1. So here we have 1 all over what? 12. So this equals to this. So at this point now we can now say 1 all over x plus 4, then equals 1 all over what? 12. Now take note, since this is the reciprocal of what? X, and if you look at this is also reciprocal, this is also reciprocal, which means we can agree that x plus 4 will give us what? 12. Now this is when we undo the reciprocal, and when we undo the reciprocal of 12, and when we undo the reciprocal of x plus what? 4. Okay, so at this point now we can now subtract 4 from both sides. We have x plus 4 minus 4 equals 12 minus 4. So at this point our x will now give us what? 12 minus 4, that should give us 8. So that's the final answer. Thank you and God bless you.